Welcome, today I'm running here POCO M5 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to wallpaper section. Now here we can see online wallpapers. If you want to use them, you can use them for free, but first you should be connected to internet, to Wi-Fi or to mobile data. So some of them they're not for free, so here we have only free wallpapers, so you can use them. Just be connected to the Wi-Fi or to just SIM mobile internet. If you want to use default wallpaper, just switch wallpapers to profile and click here to wallpapers, and now we can use our device default wallpapers here. Also you can click here to this plus icon and use photo from your device gallery downloaded previously from the internet, for example. So let's use now the default wallpaper, and after that I'll show you how to set the online one. So just let's use this one, for example. Click apply and select lock screen. Now we can see that our wallpaper applied successfully. Let's lock our smartphone and we can see that we just change it. If you want to make it by another way, there is no problem. Just you should hold for a while your device screen with your finger, just one from your screens, or just to slide with the same time onto the center, and then on the left down corner you'll see this wallpaper icon. Click here once and just by the same way select one from the wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Okay, so let's use this wallpaper. Click apply and set as lock screen, and that's it. So as you can see, that's all simple to do. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.